Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Kicking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today is another Chef Bite behind the scenes, something that's a little bit more personal, not just the cooking and everything. And today I want to talk about my plan for filming and how I want this show to kind of evolve and go. I kind of touched on it a little bit, but I got a couple questions. This whole week was just like a request for the chef tip. I got a couple questions in my inbox about like where I'm doing and what I'm doing with the show. And I was like, this is a perfect week to kind of plug these in. And so I also like the ability to kind of do my videos like these in the moment so I can take those requests and be like with you within it. So comment down below what you want to know, what you want to find out. If I'm willing to tell you, then I'll dive into it. But today I want to talk about what I see for this show and everything with my channel going forward. My goal is to film all around the world. And my whole thing is Cooking Way Through Life started when I started my podcast, and then that turned to the cookbook, and now it is the YouTube channel. And it's literally how I live my life. I mean, I literally just cook my way through life. Like, it's simple as that. It's like the name just came out of like what I do. And I want to focus on filming in special places that mean something to me. And I really want to make sure that the integrity of my show is to teach you something every single time, a different technique, a different trick. I just want you to have an aha moment and just have a good time, like positive kind of content. I don't want to do any fluff on here. As I venture out and do sponsorships and things like that, like it's going to be sponsorships and things that really mean something to me, and I feel like it'll benefit the people that's watching the show, like different ordering services for meats and things, or even ready prep meals that you can cook at home, because I can show you how to follow through with those. You might have wanted to do a recipe and you're thinking, I don't want to buy miso because I don't know what miso to buy, and like this and this, but then you can order from a service that gives you those things, portion out, and now you're trying different recipe, and then you can see if you like it. So I want to do those kind of things. My whole idea about this is that you're just gonna grow with me and you're gonna follow me around the world. And I am filming the next batch of shows in New Zealand. So when that happens and when you start seeing the show change a little bit, you're gonna see the background change. Like this background changed a couple weeks last week. You're gonna see the background change, you're gonna see everything, but I'm gonna stay consistent. So every single week you will see different shows, but you're gonna notice when I'm switching up, when I'm doing things, because the background's gonna change and the recipes are gonna change as well. Because as I'm traveling around the world, if I'm filming in Europe, if I'm filming in New Zealand, if I'm filming in Spain, wherever I'm filming at, I want to also bring in those cultures and use some of the local ingredients, because that's the whole point. Like, I'm cooking my way through life. I'm not going to be doing Southern fried steak if I'm spending a whole like 2 months in Singapore. I might, like every now, but I want to figure out what they're doing in Singapore. I want to do those things. So what you're going to see is a little reflection of where I'm at. And then that place that I'm going to be at is a reflection of something that's important to me in life. So that's really what the channel is going to become. Other things I want to do, I really want to dive deep into things you want to know about. I know working on a cruise ship is one of people's biggest thing they always ask me about. So I want to do some lives coming up for the YouTube and really like dive deep into some of your questions. If I can answer them, then I will answer them. For the chef tips and tricks, that's definitely a one-on-one kind of thing. I really want you to let me know, like, hey, like chef, like what I want to know how to do, blah, 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 or I've always wanted to know how to do something else. If I can make it work and if I have a chef tip or trick for it, I want to give you mine. The biggest thing I want to really convey, especially for people that don't know me or you haven't followed my journey before, you don't listen to the podcast, is that I never approach things from this is the only way you can do it. This is just ways I've done it. Different things I've learned. I'm still learning. I'm a culinary instructor. I love to learn. I love to learn more and more. And I want you to pretty much come to the channel to learn more and more. So ultimately, that's what we're trying to do over here. We're just building a community of people who want to learn different things, have a good time, hopefully cook some of these recipes that I'm making for you. If not, at least have a good time while you're watching. Get a different tip of trick on Wednesdays, learn something new about me on Saturdays, and listen to the podcast on Thursdays. So that's pretty much what we're trying to do over here. I hope that you've been enjoying it so far. I hope you continue to enjoy it. And yeah, so I see you all 2026 as long as you're here. So thank you, and see you next time.
today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.